Hi guys, and welcome back for a new quick and dirty inspo video from my side. And today I have something seasonal for you. Because of these you need a dandelion flower, but not the yellow flower of a dandelion. You need the seed flower of a dandelion. And then I like to take a picture of a burning seed dandelion, and I think this is a cool idea. So let's go ahead. Here you will find my complete materials I used, and below you will find my camera settings as always. But first I have to inform you, don't do it inside, don't do it in your flat, do it outside. Because you're playing with fire and it's very easily to get something burn. Because of these, don't do it inside, do it outside. I did it on my balcony, and I use also a black background because I really love the black surrounding around this dandelion pictures. Because of these I choose the black background, but also you can choose a different color if you like to. Then I put the dandelion seed flower in a little bottle and lift it up a bit, and then I use also a spotlight to highlight the dandelion seeds, because also I like to make the smoke a bit visible. And that's all for the setup, and then you need only to choose the continuous advanced mode on your camera, or by Olympus you can choose the pro capture mode, and then you can do your pictures, and that's all. So I wish you a lot of fun to do this tutorial, and we will see us on my next tutorial here on my channel. And now you can see my results. I wish you a good time. Ciao!